Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. Today, we're going to unbox the new grill that I got for the 2025 Toyota Tacoma, the 4th gen. Now, there's nothing wrong with the grill that came on it. I don't hate it or anything, but once I saw the new grill with the Toyota badging across the front, I had to have it. It's going to be quite the endeavor to replace it. You basically have to remove this front end piece, the whole piece, not just the insert like before. So it should be quite an experience. We'll see how that goes later on. I'm also going to mod the grill. Before I put it on, I'll tell you what I'm going to do about that. It comes from a company called Toyota Tribe. You can see right there. There will be a discount code down below for anything on their site. If you want to check that out, I'll link it. But let's go ahead, unbox this thing, make sure it's all good, that there was no damage or anything in shipping. All right, let's see what we've got here. The box looks pretty good, so I think everything should be okay. At least that's my hope. Of course, I have to figure out how to, oh, I see. It's one of these kind of deals. All right, there's a separate little box in here. This should be, wow, I'm not sure what all has come with this. This should be maybe letters? No, it came, whoa, wait a minute. It looks like it came with a light bar. I didn't recall ordering it with a light bar, but maybe they did send it with a light bar. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. Let's see what we've got. I was not expecting, it did. Wow. I don't recall ordering a light bar, but hey guys, if you decided to send me a complete kit, what the heck, this is awesome. Anyway, nice surprise. That's cool. Something else I'll have to put on, of course, before I actually do the grill. Now, let's see what else is in here. It says here, thank you for your order. That's cool. Nice little personal touch there. What other paperwork do we have in here? Looks like a Toyota Tribe sticker. Always like the stickers. A Toyota Tribe Toyota themed sticker, if you will. That's cool. What else do we have? We have another sticker. Well, like I said, I like stickers. I think I have to cut this one out. Yeah, that sticker is stuck. Oh, guys, come on, man. Stuck the sticker to the tape. So hopefully it doesn't destroy the sticker. Because, you know, I'll have to, it didn't. I'll have to mount this somewhere in the garage along with the many other stickers I have. But there's another Toyota Tribe sticker. Wow, lots of goodies in here. All right, let's check out this box. I think this is the lettering, because I believe they have to ship it separately somehow. And I'm not sure how theirs is. Oh, this is the panel, I guess, that you put on the front for the lettering. Notice it says Toyota, and they have to do this for copyright reasons, I believe. So somewhere in here should be some letters. I hope. Somewhere. I'm not seeing any letters yet. Let's make sure. Oh, wait a minute. Always make sure you completely check your box, right? Just have everything in it? Yes. Toyota. So we have the letters here, along with the hardware that you're going to need to screw them into, looks like the bracket they give you, and they screw in from the back. So don't think you're going to have screws going through the letters in the front, right? That's cool. And then we have some other screws that I'm not sure what those are for. And I want to make sure again, yeah, nothing else in the box. All right, the main thing here, the grill. This is what's going to make or break the project. Because if anything's going to be damaged, it's going to be this. And I'm assuming it's not. So let's make sure. They did put little protectors on all of the prongs. One fell off inside the box, but that's good because that's supposed to protect the grill prongs, but nonetheless, make sure they're all intact the way they're supposed to be. Always want to check that. There could be a little hidden surprise under there. This is just some extra manufacturing material. Just kind of pull that off. I might shave that a little. I don't know that it's necessary. That'll be hidden under the front end work, if you will. Check these all out. So far so good. Oop, that one's a little bent. Okay. Hopefully that's not an issue once I stick it in, but you can see this one is a little bent down. I don't know why. I could heat it up and straighten it, but maybe it's supposed to be bent down. You know, I really don't know. So I'm obviously not going to do anything like that until I check it. All right, everything looks good there. Let's make sure. Checking in the front. Oh, and I like this too, by the way. I think it goes this way, actually. The camera, it does have a spot on the front for a camera, so if you had the camera system, you would knock this little plug out here and go ahead and mount your camera in there. Mine has the plug in it, looks perfectly fine, no reason to do anything. I like that. Otherwise, it looks pretty darn good to me. A little rough on the casting maybe in a couple spots, but nothing that I would have any real issue with. What I'm talking about is, like you can see right here, maybe I just hit that with a quick knife. Well, we don't want to damage the finish, so I'll, there, pulled it off with my finger. Otherwise, it looks pretty good to me. I don't see any issues with anything on the grill. So I think we're golden. I think we're good. Everything looks fine to me. So we have the grill. The insert, again, is going to go in. I'm not sure if it must be from the back. Let's see if there's any holes back there. Yes, we have holes here to screw this into. So it's going to go on like so. And then the badging obviously would be visible from the front once we connect it in. So that looks good. It all looks good to me. That's cool. Good quality product so far. We'll see how everything fits. I'm curious about that one tab to see if it's supposed to be bent or not. It's not an issue, but we'll find out. Now, I mentioned there is a mod that I'm going to do, and it involves some paint. I actually ordered some paint for the truck matching, but there's been some kind of a holdup or something, so I decided to go to Lowe's and see if I could match it up. What's on the truck is called Terra, of course. The paint that I've got here is called Satin Brick. So let's take another real quick look before I go crazy. You can see it here, hopefully, against the truck, and I think that is a pretty darn close match. So I don't have any problems using this for the paint work. And what I'm going to do, you probably already figured it out, of course. I'm going to go ahead and spray the letters here so that they color match the truck. I think that would look good. Nothing wrong with the, I guess, gray or pewter, whatever you want to call this paint or finish, but I think it would look better if it actually matched the color of the truck. So that's going to be my first mod. I will do a video. I'll show you my whole process on doing that. Again, I can't believe it came with a light. That, of course, is going to mount right down here. And the good thing about this kit is it has holes here to mount that light, so you can just screw it in. I like that. That should be, or it should make it rather, pretty easy to do. So anyway, that is the kind of the rundown, I guess, the unboxing of the new grille, letters, and light. Still surprises me. A light that came with the truck. See, I thought I was gonna have to try to use my existing light, which is right up here. Probably brighter than what the light is that has come with the kit, but I think actually what has come with the kit should be fine. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you done this on your truck? Was it complicated? How was the install? I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.